Hey, what's up, YouTube? Um, got this plane out. Had a charger for a while. Tried practicing playing it. And this remote control helicopter. Oh, you see its charger right now. Turn off, turn on. It's kind of cool, but if you ask me, I don't think it's worth no $45. It's a nice looking helicopter. I like it. It's hard to like maneuver it forwards and stuff like that. This little knob right here for this trim, when the helicopter's like trying to hover, the trim like determines like how like loose or tight like the spinning is, so like it could be hovering and the body will just be like, you know, just be spinning, and if you like adjust the trim, it'll tighten it up and it won't spin as much. Then the left and right to kind of make it rotate a little bit left and right. I don't know, it's kind of hard. There's like no forwards and backwards, so like when you take off, sometimes it wants to go sideways or go straight up, but it's pretty powerful. So it's a pretty nice helicopter. So I just adjusted the trim so it's spinning a little bit. See, that's with the trim all the way to the left, all the way to the right. If you adjust a little bit, it really won't spin. Because you see, when you try to get it to hover upwards, since it's an assault helicopter, it kind of wants to take off or take off. So it's difficult to control. I don't really have that much room here to show you, but it does fly. I like the detail on it. I don't know. It's a pretty nifty helicopter. Let me go ahead and turn this off. See, got the front of it. It's made out of a soft, like not soft, but a flimsy plastic, but not too flimsy. The little wings right here is made out of a soft plastic. The propeller blades are kind of like a little bit thicker plastic than a McDonald's, you know, supersized cup. This is like the little stabilizing bar or something. I already lost one of these. I don't know if you can see that, but one of these little pieces right here. I already lost one of those, but thankfully it comes with two in a bag, so I had to use one of them. Those little things are what adjust that. Some of the helicopters I've seen come with extra wings, This one did not. Well, so far, it's a pretty good helicopter. I'm not really liking it though because it's super hard to, control when you get it to try to fly. I just wish it would go straight up. But again, this ain't that kind of helicopter. The remote control makes that sound when you push the fire button. But I don't know. It's a decent helicopter. I like the design of it. It got a lot of good detail. It's just a little plastic bullshit helicopter. I got the little sticker right there. Like a cowboy with 2 6-shooters wearing a bandana mask that says MOH. I guess you charge it for 30 to 40 minutes and you'll get 3 to 4 minute flight time out of it. This is a little compartment where you hide the charging cable. That's my look at the assault copter. Yeah, I should have just went and got like a Wii game instead. Probably would have had more fun. Thanks for watching. If anybody else has this helicopter or has any other kind of remote control helicopters, let me know what you guys think about them. Is there like a trick to flying this kind? Because even in video games, I kind of always sucked at helicopters. I probably would have been better off getting a remote control tank. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys around. Later.